Hello everyone. Today we are doing this experiment to interface Bluetooth with Arduino and to write a program to turn on LED, turn on and off LED when 1 or 0 is received from a smartphone using Bluetooth. The components required are Arduino Uno board, breadboard, LED, Bluetooth module, HC05 and connecting wires. How it works basically, we have an Arduino device, means a mobile, onto which we will be installing an mobile application, Arduino Bluetooth controller, and through which we are sending the data to the Bluetooth module, which is in turn connected to Arduino board. And we also are connecting an LED to this Arduino board so that whatever signals we send here, if we send 1 here, then the LED will glow. If we send 0, the LED will turn off. And the connections, this is the way how we have connected the LED to the Arduino as well as Bluetooth module to the Arduino. So Bluetooth module, we have 4 different pins here: VCC, ground, uh, TX, and RX. VCC, we are connecting it to a VCC plus 5 volt of Arduino board. Ground, we are connecting to ground of Arduino board. TX is connected to RX of Arduino board, and RX is connected to TX of Arduino board. And the positive terminal of LED is connected via a resistance. Uh, I have considered 470 ohm here. So through this resistance, the positive terminal is connected to pin number 13 and the negative terminal is grounded. This is the connection. The app what we are using here is Arduino Bluetooth controller. This is the program, has defined LED. Uh, the pin number where we have connected this LED is 13. I'm also declaring a variable A. So in void setup, the LED what we are using it as output device. So pin mode is output. Serial dot begin 9600 means we are initializing the serial port, communication port. So here the program is if serial dot available means if whatever signal is there in that communication serial port. Okay, if it is greater than 0, it means if we have any signal there, then that signal has to be read and stored in A. Serial dot read means we are storing that value in A and we are printing it. It means we can even see the output in serial monitor. And then if A is equals to 0, if whatever value comes into A, if it is equals to 0, we are making the LED low, turning it off. And if A equals to 1, then we are turning it on. This is a simple program. I have already uploaded this program. Before uploading, we should make sure that we remove the wires which we have connected to TX and RX to the Bluetooth module. In the Bluetooth module, we already have connected TX and RX. We have to remove that. There is some reason why we have to remove it and then upload it. And after uploading, again we have to connect those wires back to TX and RX of Bluetooth module.
The app what we are using to control the LED, the Bluetooth is Bluetooth controller, Arduino Bluetooth controller. We can find this app in Play Store. If you type in Bluetooth Arduino Bluetooth control, uh, you can see the third app, Arduino Bluetooth controller, which I've already installed. Arduino Bluetooth controller. When you open this, you can find uh, the options like enable Bluetooth, send data over internet. I've already paired this with my module, Bluetooth module. So uh, when you install it first time, you should pair this with the Bluetooth module. To do that, once you go to the pairing option, there you need to enter the password. The password you may type in as 4 zeros or 4 ones. Once you pair the device. It is only once we have to do that. Once we do that, from the next time, it will simply ask you to enable Bluetooth. Once you click on this Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth. Okay, so Bluetooth is turned on. Now you can see the number of devices which are paired. In this one, the third one is HC05, which is the Bluetooth module what we are using. So HC05, we have to click on this. Now you can see there are many options we can uh, do with this particular app. So the first one we are using because we are turning on an LED by this app. So I will click on the first one, LED bar lamp control. Once it is connected, it will show the option like connected, and then if you simply touch this, you can see the LED is turned on now, and again if you press this, it is off. This is how we will control the turning on and off of an LED with the help of the app which we have installed in our mobile device.